Welcome back to the Premiere Pro Beginner's Guide 2026. This is the second class in the series. In the previous lesson, we created our first project. In this class, we'll explore the layout of Premiere Pro and learn how to navigate its main panels and tools. Hi, I am Marco Maldera. I am a director, VFX artist, editor, designer, and now also an AI creative. Speaking of AI, I also share short creative reels here on the channel that I've made using generative AI. If you're curious about that side of my work, take a look. They're quick, fun, and easy to watch. Let's start by closing the project we created earlier. You'll see your project name here in the top panel. Right-click on it and choose Close Project. You can also close a project by going to the File menu and selecting Close Project there. If you prefer shortcuts, it's Shift plus Command plus W on Mac or Control plus Shift plus W on Windows. Now we're back at the home screen. I'll open a project I worked on before so we can explore the layout more easily. Let's talk about your workspace. When you open a project, you'll see several panels on screen. This setup is called your workspace. Think of it like your editing desk. You can arrange panels however you like. Maybe your timeline at the bottom, your footage bin on the left, and your preview monitor on top. Everyone edits differently, and Premiere lets you customize your layout to fit your workflow. To see your workspace options, go to Window, then Workspaces, and click Edit Workspaces. Here, you can show or hide panels and rearrange your layout. Let's go over the main panels you'll use. The project panel is where all your imported footage, audio, images, and sequences are stored. You can organize them into folders, also called bins, for easy access. The timeline panel is where the actual editing happens. Cutting clips, adjusting audio, adding transitions, and more. To play your footage, press the space bar. The program monitor shows what your final edit looks like. You can even preview in full screen by pressing Ctrl and tilde on Windows or Command and tilde on Mac. Press Escape to return. The source monitor is where you preview your raw clips before adding them to your timeline. Just double-click a clip in your project panel to open it here. The Effect Controls panel shows any effects or adjustments you apply to a selected clip. Position, scale, rotation, opacity, speed, and more. It's one of the most important panels in Premiere. You can easily resize panels by dragging their edges, just like adjusting windows on your desktop. If you want a specific panel, like the program monitor, to be larger, simply click and drag its border. You can also right-click on any tab and choose Close Panel to remove ones you don't use. And if you want to move a panel, for example, placing the media browser below the project panel, just click and drag it where you want it. If things ever get messy, don't worry. You can always reset everything by going to Window Workspaces, Reset to Saved Layout. Once you find a layout you like, you can save it. Go to Window Workspaces and choose Save as New Workspace. This way, you can keep a setup you love and reuse it across different projects. Premiere also includes preset workspaces. For example, editing, color, captions, and graphics, or libraries. You can switch between them depending on what you're working on. And remember, not all panels are visible by default. To open new ones, go to Window and select from the list. For example, Essential Sound or Lumetri Color. That's it for this lesson. You now understand the layout of Premiere Pro, your workspace, and how to customize it. In the next video, we'll explore how to import footage using traditional methods and get everything organized for editing. Before you go, I wanted to share an amazing deal, especially if you're looking to upgrade your editing toolkit. My friends at AE Juice are running a huge Black Friday sale, and I've added my affiliate links in the video description so you can grab the discounts directly. The I Want It All bundle is 98% off right now. It includes everything from the Premiere Pro bundle plus tons of extra assets for motion graphics and visual effects. I use their toolkits all the time, and they're incredibly helpful for speeding up workflow and giving your videos a more professional look. You can also check out the All Access subscription, which is 50% off, or try their free plugins to get a taste of what they offer. All the links are below. Using them helps support the channel. If this class is helping you, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and follow me on social media. It really helps support the work I do. See you in the next lesson.